I had a phone call the other day telling me I was a lucky person, and the reason for this was that somebody needed to get rid of a project, and by get rid of I mean they needed it out of the way a bit quick. So I obviously, being a dutiful sort of, you know, willing to help out, you know, went and sorted that out for him, and I've ended up with potentially quite a little gem, to be honest with you. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to find the right key. I think that's the one. I'm not sure whether this constitutes a barn find, because it's not really in a barn. It was in a barn, but now it's not in a barn, it's in here. And it wasn't lost. And it's definitely not lost now, because I know where it is. It's in there. Let's have an open. It's always a good sign. Ignore the ostinili and the, you know. Yeah. Okay. That's what we got. What are them? Oh, okay. That must be a feature. It's quite low, isn't it? Right, let's have a oh, it's not in gear. So what have we actually got? This is a 1997 Honda NTV 650 with an original 5,808 miles on the clock. It has been off the road since then. So that's what, just under 15 years. It is still on its original tyres. I imagine that it's still on its original oil and filter. It is. And for all intents and purposes, this bike, other than the pitting that we've got on the frame and some of the hardware, is in very, very, very good condition. I know it doesn't look like it now, but that's where we are with it. Notice the swing arm? Huh? No chain. Shaft drive. Hell of a thing. Now I think that these put out in standard, there was different versions of it, and some of them are restricted. This one isn't, which means that it should be putting out probably about 55, somewhere around there. And they're not a light bike, it's more of a, what you call a commuter, you know. 1996. Okay. You don't particularly want to be on tyres more than 10 years old, do you? So that's something that's got to be but there's a bit of work to be done cleaning this up. But mechanically, I've been told, short of the carburetors being a little bit oh, there you go, being a little bit worse for wear. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. New. Of course, what we got to do now is we've got to get it up the workshop, which is our next challenge, because it's got to go in the back of there. Now, I think I remember measuring it all up and seeing if it fits, and it should fit. Right, so I have a distinct lack of control over what we're doing here. So it's 2.2 meters and it just fits on the tape measure. Okay. Whether that actually fits, don't know. We'll find out now. Right, so ready? One.
Well, we can try.
Okay, that was easier than I thought it was going to be. Whoa, whoa, right, now stop. Okay, what I'm going to need you to do now is go up the other end.
I feel like I'm holding a lot of weight here.
No, because I got all the weight here, right? If you let it go now, yeah, I got it. Okay. Yeah, shut the door carefully. Oh, perfect, right. So, what we got there?
It's a bloody miracle.
It's a bike in the back of a van. Are you putting it, are we in the right place?
I don't know.
Well, if you put it in that hole there, right, is it going to fit? What do you mean one hole? The hole I normally put it in.
Oh, yeah, probably.
You sure?
Yeah.
You're not going to need any lube?
It'll be tight.
Oh, well, that's not really a problem. Do you know what? You might be right. It might not be long enough. That's annoying. Yeah, it's not by much, is it? Hang on. I think I can pull it. Pull some back. Yeah. Oh, look at that. Oh, it's like a glue there. Is that reciprocating motion the right motion, do you reckon?
Oh, yeah. Oh, snug.
Snug, is it?
Yeah.
Right, that's all right then. And how much is in there?
I think you've got a tip.
Right, well I only want to keep that in for a minute, so right, we're gonna have to sort that out. Right, yeah.
Oh,
right, there you go.
Nice.
Are you satisfied with that?
Oh, I'm satisfied.
Brilliant, fantastic. That ain't going nowhere. Yeah. And we didn't scratch anything either, which might actually, you know, don't want anyone to get too because we don't want to be doing this any more than we have to, you know. But yeah, that's that number plate then straight. Oh. But I gotta be honest with you, it's immensely satisfying when you do all this stuff and you put it all in place and you think, right, I've got all that to use it, and then you go to use it and it bloody works.
Yeah.
Right? I don't know, you know, that to me is like, rah. That's amazing, that is. You know, played for and got like. To me.
To you.
To me.
Stand.
Hang on, right, I'm going to put him on the centre stand, which I've never done before. Well, hang on.
Does it involve lifting?
It may, I don't know. No.
There we are.
Because unlike with the Armstrong, that one actually works.
Yeah.
Ah.
That wasn't as bad as I thought it was.
No, that was definitely not as difficult and as complicated as I thought it would be.
No.
Ah. It's alright, that.